Hello and welcome to the stream. I think this is working. It says excellent connection and don't have any warnings from OBS, so I'll go ahead and get started with on the screen it looks a bit like laggy, but anyway. So I'll get started with the simulation of sand. I saw this on the code train and he made it in a p5.js framework. I wanted to try and make it with SFML and C++. Okay, so sand falling. I'll just try and pull the stream up on my phone. I've also got my tea here. Charmaine. Oh, nice. New item. I'm trying to do a new item. It's with OBS. It's quite a heavy application. We'll do main.cbp. I'll just retrieve the starting code so I don't have to write it all out. Okay. Oops, wrong one. This should be it. We'll just quickly run this. So the thing that I want to build is, so you press on the screen a little box. We have loads of grids, and then it will fall down. And if there's like two sand blocks on top of each other, I want it so that one sand block. So there'll be a random. So there'll be random 0 or 1. If the random number is 0, and also there's the sand block lands. I just use paint. I can't explain it well. So the code train did a lot better job of explaining than me. I also need to. I make my sprites with paint. That's not the best, but it works. Good food. Okay. Paint. Okay, so we have the falling sand block. So say my cursor is a falling sand block. It falls like that. So we have, so say I click there. The sand block will, if I get the paint, it will fall just there. And this will be a 1. And the rest of these blocks, oops, if I control them. Will be 0. But then, if we drop another sand block on top of it, and then another sand block on top of that, there's space for it to fall down here or down here. So we'll do this at random. So it'll either slide down to the left or slide down to the right. And this should give a random distribution. So it should end up like making a type of pyramid shape type of thing, which we saw in the code trains video. So yeah, let's get coding. I think I'll make it 200 by 200 because I made quite a few apps 200 by 200. It'd be good just to play each one on it, have all of them on the same screen and just play one. Oops. Okay, let's start. First of all, I just want the sand block to fall. Just testing this all works. So today is Wednesday. Currently 5:38. If the screen's too pixelated on YouTube, so you can't read, but okay, nice. Just a bit slow today. So what I'm going to do, 200 by 200. I'm going to add the sand block. Sandblock.h. So hashtag practicing out once. I should include SFML graphics APP or sand block. The thing I really like about Visual Studio, not Visual Studio Code, but actually Visual Studio, it will probably do it on Visual Studio Code as well, but it's just like, say you got a constructor, sand block, create definition of sand block in sandblock.cpp, and it will just create the file for you, and it includes all the necessary header files, which I think is very good. Well, does it include all the necessary header files? Oh, what is this? Food. Oh, it's bean sprout. Anyway, back to coding. So we do auto move down. This will turn void. Move the sprite down 25 pixels. We will not have move up. No, actually, then we'll have move left. No, we'll have move bottom left. Move bottom right. And void auto print insert random and W. So also return void. Then we'll have the SF texture of the sand block. Sandblock T, SF sprite, sandblock S. Okay. Now, we need the instructions that I got rid of. Okay. Yeah, IntelliSense. Really cool. But nowadays, I assume it's on pretty much all compilers. No, not compilers, IDEs. Okay. Oops. Open file. We'll do sand.png. I need to make that later, and then we'll do sun set texture as sun block T. And I think for the constructor, also pass in pos. This is where the sand block will be. Then sand set position pause. I'll just quickly create all these definitions. So much easier than having to copy out all the. So it'll be window.draw as W. Right. I will also need an update function, I think. Move bottom right. Okay. So move bottom right. Actually, I'll just close this for now. Auto update. We'll pass in. So we'll pass over the grid by reference. So vector and vector of. We'll have it of in. We won't have it all. Vector and grid. Should be fine. Okay. Move down, so we'll just do sand stop move. So it'll actually, because in SFML the y-x, so the origin rather starts at the top left, so we need it to be, if it's going to go down for the user's perspective, it will need to be plus 25 and 0. Sand move 25. If we'll move to the left, we will be decreasing the x. If sand block s dot get position dot x minus dot plus 25 is dot plus 25 is greater than equal to 25. We could just do dot x is greater than equal to 0. No. Because we need it to be 25 because the sprite also starts there. No. Plus 25 is less than or equal to 200 rather. No, that's an equal to 185. Not 185, sorry, 175. Okay. No dot y. Also, we'll just copy this actually. And sand block s dot get position dot x. If it moves to the bottom left, it was minus 25. Is greater than or equal to, actually no, it would be 0 because we're measuring top left. Okay, we can just copy this. No, I did Control Z. No, I did Control X or something. Cleared it. Plus less than equal to 175 and plus 25 is also less than or equal to 175. Update. So the current coordinates on the grid, int grid X, so that would be sand block s dot get position dot so if it was in a grid and we wanted to get the top left, and if it was the top left, it'd be 0, 0. So dot. How do I do it on my chess one? Right, so it'll be the dot y mod get position dot y. But why does it need to have integral type? Integral type. Unscoped enum type. If so, it's some dot get position dot y minus sand block. sandblock s dot get position dot x. Wait, so let's just think about the first one for a minute. The grid x. So if it was 0, 0, if it was in 0, 0, the dot get position minus 0 minus 0 divided by 25, 0 divided by 25, 0. Okay. Minus sand is get with I don't get why it's saying it must have unscope to it. So what's this return then? If grid at grid x minus plus 1 is equal to 1, no, at grid y, if that's equal to 1, we'll have bool, no, it's equal to 1. Then we want to know if grid at grid x plus 1 at grid y minus 1 equal to 0. All left side can is false. Right side then we'll do left side can equals true if grid at grid x plus 1 grid y plus 1 left, no, right side can. No, sorry, true. So then we'll just check if left, no, if not left side can and not right side can, do nothing. Else if left side can and right side can, get true or false. So if it's true, we'll go to the left. Move bottom left. bottom right. Should work in theory. Move bottom right. What's wrong? Bottom. I'm just going to spell it right on all of them. There we go. Move bottom right. Do implement. So that's if so I haven't done much talking here, but anyway, if none of the sides can do it, we just won't move. And otherwise, if we can do both, we'll just have a random pick, and we'll do else if left side can. We'll do move bottom left. Else if right side can move bottom right. Goodness, time to eat some more of my tea. Looks like we're still running. Okay. Okay, so now I'll just get the true or false value. What was this? Oh, still the interval type error. So get or false. Okay. Let's do random number C++. Just much easier than writing it out. Once that's loading, I'll just include chrono. Not chrono, I mean random. And yeah, we do need to use chrono though at some point. Oh, we don't want it in main. Okay. What the? Okay. We'll instead out, we'll do I'll put the ball and it will just be 0 to 1. And that should be good. Draw a false value. Now do the slowly moving down. System time set chrono. Oops. Clock now. Just include chrono. I bet literally I haven't wrote anything in main. I've just done this anyway. The chrono. No, we also need to add need to do if the crow system clock now minus time greater than or equal to minus time. If it's greater than or equal to 0.5 s, and we'll just use but the thing I don't understand is why couldn't you do stood crow? Why is it like that? Underscore literals. Why isn't it literals? That's the thing. I don't know why. There's underscore literals. The chrono literals. Then we'll just move down. Actually, should I do it? I'll do it. 2.5, and if there's 8 boxes, it will take 2 seconds. So then, that's that. First, now we just need to make this bright. It'll be 25 by 25 pixels. Home. Resize in pixels. Do not maintain aspect ratio. Actually, we should have kept it. No, it'll be 25. I'm just gonna have a grey. then I think I'll flood fill it like that. It's not really sand, but do I need to close the Visual Studio project before anything or not? I don't want everyone to see my files particularly. Yeah, I'm just gonna. OSC OneDrive users. Repos. Where is this? This is where is this? I'm gonna say this is sound fooling. Right. Okay, that's saved. Now I'll put the screen back on. Hello. Sound fooling. I really think like the standard should add like stood random. You pass in like ranged like X to Y or something like that. I think that should be implemented. Anyway, now we'll just include include will include sandblock to H. I'm gonna add it to a Git repository before I forget. I'm fooling. I'll make it a private repository for now. Always, nearly always. Make things private before they go public. So, programming news. I've been thinking about starting learning Kotlin. And of course on Udemy. Okay. Now, if the type of the event is equal to SF event mouse if it's equal to mouse button pressed, I'm just gonna, to be perfectly honest, I don't really use the if statements without the curly braces. I just think it's a bit Pythonic, and yeah, I just like using the curly braces. I think it's easier for intelligence. Not intelligence, rather. Right. For instance, well, you can get it like easily there. We'll do get the wait, how do I implement it? So I think we really only need the Y. Sorry, no, not the Y. Get the Y position where the mouse was clicked to the nearest 25. And I also need to add the grid in later, I think. And I also want it so you can color the so instead of having a sprite, I think we should have like a colorful box. Just have a random color, and then you increase the hue by HUE. Okay. So it's nice and colorful. Wait, I just want to check something real quick. We need to do and sand block dot get position dot y plus 25 sand block plus 25 is greater than or equal to it's greater than 175 it would be. And not, no, it's less than or equal. Okay, that's sorted. So we need to do SF vector to mouse pos equals SF mouse get position vector to I window map pixel to coords. What does it say? Mouse pos. What does it return? SF vector to F pos equals oh, my sock. We'll do it as a float. Float nearest 25 equals pos minus pos dot sorry, not the Y position. Pos dot x mod 25 pos dot x minus no, that will be it. Why is it saying that? It's saying what's the remainder? Okay, then we'll just understood. We also need to actually include vector. These are included on all because we pass in the update. Oh yeah, and one more thing. When we move it, So we basically need to do the opposite of this. Goodness. This is quite the move bottom right. So then we need to do no. So vector event, no, just grid and grid. So we'll do my grid. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My grid. This will just be called grid. Pause the X. Then we'll just do also say vector of sand blocks dot pushback sand SF nearest 25, then we'll set it at around about 150. Actually no, we'll set it at 200. I still don't know why that's a problem though. Really don't. Pos.x. So this is. Does it need to be point F or what? We don't need braces there. for int I is 0, for int I is 0, I is less than right, we'll just do console to x and auto and x in blocks x dot print window, and we're not doing there. Ah, my leg just cracked. Just trying to concentrate here. No, we'll do next up update grid, and when we're past in update, at the very end, we'll grid equals my grid. Okay, now we've got to sort out all the grid positions when we do this. Okay, so bottom left, my grid at grid X at grid Y equals my grid equals 0. But then we're going to do at grid X plus 1 at grid Y is bottom left, so it'll be minus 1 equals 1. Now we'll copy all of this. Okay, so this will be plus 1, right. Actually, no, what am I doing? I should have done this all in move left and bottom right. Okay. Okay, then move down, we would just do Okay. This should, in theory, work. I haven't ran it once yet. It's saying there's 8 hours already. There's bound to be something that I forgot. How long have I been streaming for now? I don't know. Does it say 56? Not bad. Not bad. For a weekday stream. I should have just done it in bits, but now I've just gone full throttle. I'm just going to check YouTube to see if I'm actually live, and I haven't done 56 minutes of streaming. But still, the product I've got here, if it works. Okay. Robert Shepherd. Let's see. I got myself on the screen. Got it. Can anybody see me? Yes, it's working. Yeah, I'm just watching it back now. Good, it's worked well, at least. Nice. Let's keep programming. I still don't know what. If we're having pos.x, so we have a float divided by mod 25. Let's just run it, see what happens. It's gone down to 1 error now. Just looking there. I'm surprised though, video quality, it looks so good. Like before it was just like, yeah, it's quite weird. No. Yeah, it's all about the mods. What? It's because it's const or what? I just paste this to ChatGPT real quick because I don't know. It's just probably a really simple error that I just can't see it. Please help for this out. I have been following code in SFML C++, but then I am getting the following error. Let's see. Not valid as left operand has type constant. Valid as not valid as left hand operand has type constant. Yeah, but I'm doing. Well, I've really just got to use fmod. Really? Does it actually work though? I don't know. Okay. Is F mod part of the SF namespace? Okay, C math. Right then, time to add C math into C math then. Never heard of F mod before. That's the wrong one. Not Chrome. This shouldn't theory work then. Not as much as from sampling. So it's pos.x. Wait. I know. So def mod. I thought it automatically copied the standard namespace into it. If that was like that, such a clever but really small change, but really cool. Okay, now we go into the so it stood F mod is that right? So I just copied this. Oh no. Actually, is it the same? Yeah, it is. Control V. Cut. Control V. I've never used Fmod before. This is quite interesting. Actually, so first of all, yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this. But then I'm gonna copy this. Put that there. Is it gonna work is the question. Is it gonna work? 0 errors it's saying. 11 warnings though. T2 int possible loss of data. Probably between the float and int conversions by just passing an integer. Because most things except S are factored to F. Right then we should just out of range. Oh, first run out of range. Well, first run was actually errors. Oh, this is another error, but it's runtime error this time. Wait, I'll not run the code again and see what the error was. Vector subscript out of range. So it's from the vector. I'm assuming it's going to be in some block my grid. That's why. Is it? Why? Okay, so say the position was 200 200. No, let's say it was 175, 175. So wait, where do we pass in the? Leg. Just want to try. Stood seat. What? Stood piecewise constant rotation. Never heard of that. You should automatically go into that. Stood seat out. Grid. Next. Grid. 1. You can do that on all of them. So I was just wondering if I should -1 from them. But I do not know. Just gonna add it all there. Oops. And I'm also going to add our stream. Oh. So, just a bit of feedback. Pushing the 3-year mark of using C++. It's quite cool, to be honest, or 3-year mark of programming. Really quite a substantial landmark, I would say. And yeah, shows dedication. So I'm excited. May 2024. It's after May 2021. So not too long. Just approaching the end of January here. 24th, in exactly a month now, will be my birthday, which hopefully I'll be going down to London for. And I'm not sure what day it will be. I think it's is it a Saturday or Sunday this year? Or is it a Monday? I know I've not got school on that day. Which is good because I don't, well, not really, but don't really want school. Oh my god, the comedy. Just taking the bark off the outside English, I got this. Anyway, back to it. I stream. I want to stood see out nearest 25, not 24. And I'm just going to do that. See if we have any output to the console. Right. It's running the .exe. 925. What? Why did I close it? Silly me. abort. So let me see. 8 and 39. How in the world did I get 39? And 975. Well, first of all, there's 25. So I just want to see. If it was 75 or 975. Is it to this F mod thing? Or what? Pulse.x. I mean, literally. Let me see in my chest. Just a minute. Wait. Let me just see. Where is this map pixel book to towards? Where has been selected. Okay, I think I know what to do. Yeah, this was a terrible implementation. But anyway. So event.mousebutton.x. Event.mouse. Equals positive x minus mouse event.mousebutton.x. Is this it? Might get some pudding in a minute. Okay, so now this bit's working. But then we get 8 and 2. And then it's saying we've gone out of bounds. Oh. 8. Okay then. -1. Just trialing things out here. Wait, I'm just gonna commit these before I add all these -1s. Underscore. Pardon? Yeah. Yeah. Yes, please. Just gonna get chocolate. Right. Chocolate. My tea's cold. Pushing. Yeah, okay. Just big mass here, easy big mass. Because that's what I was wondering. Like, does F mod even work? First of all, I haven't read the documentation, which is a bad practice. I don't know when, but I shrunk this side panel here down. But bigger view on the code. It's good. This is my kingdom come. This is my kingdom come. For my look into my don't pull my Wait, so what's the out of bounds? Pretty sure it was the vector again. Vector subscript out of range. So first of all, we need to find out where we are subscripting the vectors. Oh, not there, not there, not there. It looks like it's not a SAM block. That's what is this? How do I access my files? Where am I accessing my grid? So it'd be after the first one, and the first one would be moved down. Then the move down. I think I know what's happened. It shouldn't be 200. It should be 0. Don't think this will fix it all, but I think it will fix it surely a bit more. Because it's like working down, it just confuses me. Actually got it to start working. Nice. Now let's see what happens when. This is amazing. Let's do some sand. Let's remove all these minus ones. This code is supplied as is. It is not guaranteed that any coding practices will be followed in the making of this code. Yeah, just saying. It's probably not the best code out there at all. I mentioned before, but I think the best instances of my best code is maybe not main.cbp of SFML chest, but like the other header files like bishop.cbp, castle.cbp, queen.cbp. There's a lot of abstraction, and I think it's an object-oriented approach to chess, and I quite like it. Me being biased. Why is it going so fast? Is my question. Okay. And why is it printing so many of the 0 ones? I don't know. Just check if anyone's commented. I'm sorry. Oh, did you just get back from school? Yep, I sure did. Sorry, I've taken too long to reply to you. Okay, and let's get back to programming. Use 2. This is record numbers for me on a live stream. Record numbers. Oops. My WhatsApp there. The first person, I think, that's ever tuned into the live stream. I think people have viewed it after, but I'm gonna look at StudF mod. I used to have the CC like CBP reference extension, but like I've got different accounts, and it's got my school account, got my home account. Anyway, CP reference StudF mod. Okay. StudF mod. There's a lot of C math that I'm yet to discover. Because I haven't done really much things that involve a lot of math. So I want to start doing more things that involve math and stuff. But I think at like 7:30. No, I mean like 5 minutes I might have to stop and return to the stream another day because I've got to get on with some homework and other stuff you might be putting in. The typical schoolboy chores kind of thing. Anyway, let's have a look at F mod. So 5.1 mod 3. Yeah. So my question is, why can't you just do 5.1 mod 3? Anyway, enough of that. Oh, stood remainder. I didn't even know that was the thing either. Fabs. Fabs. F absolute. Yeah, so what is the F in F mod? What is the F for? Oh, floating. Floating point. Obviously. Yeah, I'm just going to have a look at the output again and see. Because it just moves there, and it's... Why is it... Yeah, there's so many 0.3s outputted. And I only output when I'm supposed to move down. And... Anyway. Yeah, I need to get back to this like tomorrow or later on today even, or early on tomorrow morning. But yeah, I'll just go and find the simulating sand falling. Sand falling. I'm quite new to graphics and type of things. Maybe doing graphics programming not long, maybe a year out of my 3 years. So. Falling sand, decoding train. Check if I've missed any comments. Nope, no more comments. Challenges coding train. Wait, can you upload different... What programming language can you... Filter by language. Yeah, this one. It was this one. That one It does look really cool. Okay. China coding train, passenger showcase. I need to find a way of getting OBS Studio over here. Yeah, and so yeah, concurrent viewers. Okay. There's so much vocabulary that I learned from C++ that like I wouldn't have learned from daily life. Can't remember what it was, but it was like there's something in English that was like today. Vectors just came up, but vectors like in C++ they're basically just an array, and vectors in physics is it's magnitude. It's like a quantity with a direction. We'll still got to do my physics homework, yeah, with that. Anyway, it is now 7 p.m. I have been streaming for approximately 1 hour and 27 minutes and 37 seconds. And I will now end the stream. So guys, thank you for watching. And hope to see you guys soon. And bye.